Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get satellite view on Google Maps. Okay, so open Google Maps application. So when you open Google Maps application, by default it will be set like this, and as you can see I can still see the locations, the roads and different places, but this is not the satellite view we want. So to get satellite view, come to these boxes here, okay, the squares here that I'm tapping on. So you tap on the squares. So when you tap on the squares, you change the map type from default to satellite view. Okay, so satellite view is here in the middle, so you tap on satellite view. All right, so when you tap on satellite view, you basically see a changed style of the map, and we are basically having the satellite view. So that's how to change your Google Maps to satellite view. Thank you for watching.